So welcome to the crypto and our coffee wall. My coffee is ready. I'm ready to give you now some tips on how to really get started on your crypto journey, right? So to understand that, let's cover some basics first. The word crypto, what does it really mean? It sounds pretty cryptic, right? Well, literally, crypto means concealed or secret. In the context, it basically means anonymous. In principle, cryptography guarantees a security of transactions and participants are independent from any central authority and thus protected from double spending. And this, friends, is the very foundation of cryptocurrency. It is decentralized. That is pretty much the heart of this entire concept, meaning there is no third party controlling it. There's no RBI. There's no government who can order in more currencies or ban one overnight. But if that is the case, who does the bookkeeping here? How does the entire system work? Well, it is done by the crypto community themselves. It is regulated by its own people, by its users, and they earn crypto for it. Any attempts to fool the community get noticed, and no single user or government or bank or credit card company can force a fee on your payment. But this also means that transactions in this world are irreversible. Once you paid, you paid. And what exactly then makes crypto so desirable? Because people already talk about how volatile it is, but despite that, millions of investors are jumping in on the crypto bandwagon. Why? The short answer is good returns. By now you must be wondering, but how does really one get into these returns? And there are so many coins. There's Bitcoin, there's Ethereum, there are so many others. How to choose them? Well, creating or what is called mining crypto can be a complex and rather tedious process as well that involves several mathematical algorithms. There's a tech involved that one has to delve in as well. So for beginners, the easiest way really is to trade through crypto exchanges. Crypto exchanges, well, they are like your stock exchange, for example, your BSE or NSE. It is a platform that enables you to buy or sell all types of cryptocurrencies. But unlike the stock market, there is no opening bell or closing bell because the crypto market operates 24/7. So how does one monitor the market then, right? Well, that brings me to tip number 1 on how to get started. Well, the first step really for you should be to choose a suitable trading platform to open an account. It's like choosing a bank. In India, there are a number of platforms. There's like CoinSwitch, there's BuyUcoin, there's Wazirex, and it's fairly easy to do so. Once you've made up your mind about the bank, next step is to really upload documents and upload your KYC. Like any regular bank account, if you want to open as well cryptocurrency exchanges, they require documents like your address proof, identity proof, PAN card, etc. Once you've put in all your details over there, the bank will, and the cryptocurrency exchange, in fact, in this case, will verify those details, and then you're good to go. You can start trading orders, which is step number 3. Now, since the crypto market is open 24/7, you can trade anytime as you please. But you can either store the crypto that you buy in a digital wallet or you can choose to withdraw it as money as well. Number 4 tip for you is pick one crypto at a time. Now, while starting out, approach the market with a bit of caution and buy the coin you feel more sure about, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, for example. Stick to your decisions and monitor your progress before you start expanding your portfolio. And finally, my tip number 5 for you is begin with small investments. As the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, it is wise if you begin with small investments. Do adequate research, listen to the experts on this show, and increase your investment only when you have familiarized yourself with the market. Remember, trading in cryptocurrency can get tricky, but the approach that the market also advises is to be cautious and get involved for the long haul. Also, a quick disclaimer over there, all that information that I tell you on this show as well and on this program, please don't just apply it blindly. Talk to your friends, talk to your financial advisors as well, and consult them before you make any commitment.